Sweet. Hey guys, KB here from ADU. Just here today to talk about my new Chromag Rootdown aggressive hardtail. So it's 29er, 160 to 150 mil fork this thing can take. I've put a 150 pike on it. Rims, Chromag BA30 rims. These are the reinforced rim as well, so super strong. Modern geometry, 64 head, long reach, short chain stays, so nice and snappy in the corners. V's new RCP rear tyre. The front went for the gravity core WCE snap. Super soft compound, 40A compound on that tyre. Heaps of grip. Yeah, so that was my Chromag Rootdown. If you guys are interested in checking out any Chromag frames or parts and accessories, go on our website, check out the store finder, and that'll point you in the right direction.